Some athletics now. World 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson says on her quest to break the long-standing world record in the half-lap event, she'll have to go back to contesting more of her previous specialty discipline, the 400 meters. Denise Walters reports.
Shericka Jackson says after running 21.45 seconds last year at the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, to become the second fastest woman over the half-lap event, the new target she sets for herself has to be a better time.
Last year, one of my goals was to run 21:45. I wrote it on a paper before I left Jamaica. I did achieve that, so you have to set something faster than 21:4. And for me, once I stay healthy and having some fun, while doing it, I think fast time will come.
Jackson says that she's getting stronger running more 400 meters this season, and all she has to do is stay healthy.
Last year, I think I opened my season with a 400 in April, so to be able to run in more 400, I still do some 400 training, so anything is possible for me right now. Is just to stay healthy, and once I'm healthy, then anything can happen.
Jackson, in continuing her season's preparation, won the women's 400 meters at the GC Foster Classics on the weekend in a season's best 52.05 seconds. She won ahead of Rhonda White 53.18, also a season's best, and Anthony Strawn 53.91 seconds, and she says she'll eventually return to the event she won Olympic and World Championship bronze in.
The thing is, anywhere you go, there's competition. Everybody going big their A game. So for me, I love competing among peer persons that are faster than me, and I think it brings me joy. So I don't have any problem in any event I compete in.
However, she adds it won't be for this season.
Definitely. Probably sometime down the line, a couple of years from now, but not this year.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.